Hey guys, welcome to day 12 of Vlogmas. I hope you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas this year. I have been. It's been fun to just kind of do different style of videos on my channel, and I really like looking back at them in the future to kind of see like a little video diary of my life. I really enjoyed looking back at the ones I made in 2018. For today's video, I will be making my vision board for 2021. Now, I am a big believer in manifesting and the law of attraction. So if you are as well, please get your paper out, get your magazines, get your photos, get them printed, make your vision board along with me. Before you dive into making your vision board, a few things that you want to think about are really visualizing the life that you want for yourself, especially over like the next year. You're gonna be making multiple vision boards in your life, so to kind of try to keep it concise to like the next 12 months of your life. Now, really think about what it is that you want and why you want those things. Really dive into the why of why you want these specific things to happen in your life, and that will help you kind of hone in, get detailed, and then you can plan accordingly and you can work hard for those things that you want in your life. So once you've figured out what it is that you want and the why, the next thing to do is to find images. You can use Google, you can use Pinterest, you can use magazines, and be very specific with the images that you choose. If you want money, don't just have a nebulous money sign on there, but the exact amount of money that you want. Keep in mind, you don't have to use just the images that you find on the internet or in magazines. You can create your own images. You can go on Canva if you know how to use Photoshop. I'm actually going to make a logo featuring the two collaborators that I want to work with my name in it, because why not? For materials, I just got a large foam board at the dollar store. I cut it in half so I could have my vision board and Mark could have his vision board. It's a little bit smaller in the size, but it'll fit in the area that I can put on my wall where I can see it every single day. Now, you do want to put this in the place where you can see every single day. It's a collection of your goals. It's a collection of your intentions, so you can be focused on what it is that you want out of life and you can work really hard towards it. Now, the last and most important part of preparing to do your vision board is to make sure that you are in the right headspace. Be in the headspace where you feel like you can take on the world, you can accomplish anything, because you can. You really can. I'm a big believer, and if you put your mind and heart and soul into something and you work really hard for it, you can accomplish anything. But let's hop on over to my desk. I'm gonna cut out some images and we are going to get to creating my vision board. I hope you have your supplies. Get your stuff together, play this in the background. Let's have a little vision board party via the internet, and let's manifest our dream lives together. Okay, to the desk we go. Okay, so in the very center, I'm going to start off with one of the things that is most important to me that will kind of allow me to do the rest of this board is really focusing on YouTube. I want to get 100,000 subscribers. I think I can do it. I don't think it's that crazy of a number to ask for. So I'm going to put it there. I'm going to pretend like it's already happening. So that is kind of like in the center of the board. Right above that, I'm going to put in fall in love with taking care of yourself. These two are pretty much hand in hand and will allow for the rest of the board to actually come to life. So up in this corner is kind of what is the taking care of myself portion: sleeping better, being more mindful, meditating, living a healthier lifestyle, drinking more water. So down here is my like dream fashion collaborators. This is Eileen Fisher. I adore her. I would love to work for her one day. Her brand is phenomenal. What she's doing for sustainability is great. This is Dao Yi Chow. So Dao Yi and Maxwell Osborne have created Public School. Dao Yi is actually my critic / mentor for my thesis year at FIT, and I just vibed with him. I really got along with him. I would love to reconnect with him and work with him at some point. I adore him. He's fantastic, and so is Eileen Fisher. So breaking off from the YouTube center, I want to pay off my credit cards, I want to pay off my student loans, and I want to build up a little nest egg for something that I want to do in the future. I also want to turn my website into an online store where I can sell things that inspire me, either homeware or apparel. I'm not sure yet, but I would love to open a little boutique online. So up here in the left, I want to explore a little bit more. I want to go camping, I want to go hiking, I want to be outdoors. That is the beach. I don't know if 2021 will allow us to really travel, but I put it there just in case. And these are inspirations for what I want my garden to look like. And last but not least, you guys, please don't freak out. Don't know if you can see down in this corner, I have some pictures of some pregnant bellies. I think I want to start trying to build my family and have some babies this year. So those are on there. This is what I got going on so far. I do have a little bit more room to put a few other things, but let me just start taping this down and manifesting this into reality. Guys, look, I was just looking at Public School's website, and Public School has already collabed with Eileen Fisher. I didn't know this. They're the two people I really want to work with. They already have a collab. Why can't I join in? I mean, I could be a part of that. That's like, we're manifesting it. It's already happening. I love how this turned out. I have it pinned up right here next to my desk. I sit here and I work every single day, and I can see it every single day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it encouraged you to make your own vision board for 2021. Get at those goals, you guys. Just work hard. The thing about the law of attraction, the thing about manifesting, you can make a pretty board, but if you don't work your ass off for these goals, they're not going to happen. You have to put in the intention, put in the work, and your goals and your dreams will come true, but you have to work. Okay. Thank you for spending Vlogmas with me, and I will see you guys next week for my regular Thursday scheduled videos, and I might put up an extra video here or there throughout the end of the month because it's supposed to snow here like 13 inches on Wednesday, so I might do just a little video maybe with the dogs playing in the yard. I'll see you guys on the next one. Mwah, love you. Happy 2021 planning. All right, bye.